Okay guys, ever wanted a stylish way to showcase two big collections side by side without a boring plain image layout? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today we're adding this collections list section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds. Exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collections List number 7. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now, let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Collections List number 7, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. Now, let's scroll down and customize it together. First, click on any image card, and its settings open up on the left side too. Here, you can add the image that best represents your collection. I'm just adding this one to show you how it works. After adding images to all the cards, let's change the heading too, based on your own collection. But I'll just type something here for now, like Premium and Most Affordable Prices. Right below that, there's an option where you can add any collection or product you want. I'll add a random collection here. You'll customize every card this same way. Once all the cards are done, let's close this and click on the section's background, and its settings open up on the left side too. The first option here lets you adjust the card height for different devices, desktop, mobile, and tablet, but I won't be touching that right now, though you can easily do it yourself. After that, you'll find gradient overlay colors, which control the card's overlay tint. Let's change this to this color. There's also label color and quite a few more options here, but honestly, none of those matter for my setup right now. Now let's change this section's background color to black. Actually, I think the original color works better since it already matches my store's color scheme. Let's set the top and bottom margin to 16, and the width is already at max. And honestly, that's really all it takes to customize this section, and pretty much every section in Section Kit. Once you're happy with everything, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.